To answer an incoming call without touching the screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, there are some ways that you can use. First, by using Answer Automatically feature. To use this way, there are two conditions that have to be met. The Answer Automatically feature has to be on and your phone has to be connected to a headset or a Bluetooth device. To enable Answer Automatically feature, open Phone app, tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select Setting, tap Answering and Ending Calls, and then tap the gray on offset next to Answer Automatically until the switch on screen to turn it on. Tap Answer Automatically. Now you can select the desired duration you like to use. As the example, we will select after 2 seconds. By doing this, when there's an incoming call while your phone is connected to a headset or a Bluetooth device, your phone will automatically answer the call after it rings for 2 seconds. Second, by using the voice command with Bixby. To use this way, you just need to say the voice wake up and then say the voice command to answer the call. Or if you have enabled talk to Bixby without wake up, you just need to say the voice command to answer the call. Answer. So those are two ways that you can use to answer an incoming call without you have to touch your phone screen. If you have other way to do so that has not been listed here, you can share it through the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.